Now next topic is data types. So we are going to understand the concept of the data type from directly the example. For example, we take integer number. In the second example, we take float x. In the third example, we take character c. Now you can see that here integer is a data type and num is a variable. Same like that, here float is a data type and x is a variable. Same here, character is a data type and c is a variable. So you can say that in the first example, integer num show that num variable is type of integer. It means that in the num variable you can store only the numeric value without the fractional part or the real number. So in the second example, you can say that in the variable x you only store the value with the real number. It means there are a point kind of the value. In the float you can store 2.4, 5.68, 9.453. Even you store the numeric value, then the value becomes the 8.00, just like that. In the integer you can store this kind of value. So that is the difference between the numeric value and the real value. It means that in the integer you can store the numeric value and in the float you can store the value with the point. So this is the concept of data type. Same like that, in the character you can store A, B, C, D, E. It is the all are the character. So whatever the kind of data you are going to store in the variable, the data on the based on the data type are selected or data type is selected. It means that in the integer you can store only the numeric value, in the float you can store only the value with the fractional part, in the character you are going to store the value just like the characters, and the further data types are the string, long, double. So they are the variables. Now we are going to study about the operators. So let's we understand the concept of operator with the example. I write one example, that is A is equal to C plus D. So let's we understand what is the operator. So here is equal to is operator. Which operator? It is a relational operator. The second operator is the plus. So here plus is a also operator. It is a arithmetic operator. So in this above example, A is equal to C plus D is equal to is the operator and plus is the operator, and A, C and D that are a operand. So in the operator, the most important part is operator as well as the operand. So what is the operator? So whatever the operation we are going to perform on operand is called as operator or known as operator. Okay, and what is the operand? So operation is performed on operand. So you can say that in the example, operation is performed on a C and D, and the output is going to store in the variable A. So C, D and A are the operands, and is equal to and the plus. So addition operation is going to perform between the C and D. So plus is called as a operator, and the value of the summation of C and D is going to store in the A. So is equal to is the also called the operator. So in the above example, A, C and D is the operand and is equal to and plus are a operator. Now next we are going to learn or revise the most important thing is the statement or different kind of the statement. So first of all we are going to study about the conditional statement. So conditional statement, there are two kind of the conditional statement, that is a single condition statement and multiple condition statement. So here you can say that if else is single condition statement and switch is multiple condition state.